Here they go. Oh my gosh, Jody, can you believe that?
Something's been on my mind, something I can't explain. Oh, a feeling so deep inside. Is this love or is it pain? Oh, sometimes I waste my days waiting around for someone, waiting for someone to say, oh, I'll always be there, always there for you. Well, I know that it's true, 'cause baby, I'll always be there. Oh, always there for you. And I'll never let you go, darling, no. You go. I'll never let you go. No.
Now, can I just ask? That seemed extremely personal to you. Can you tell us a little bit about that?
Yeah, we wrote that during a tough period of my life where I was going through some troubles and loneliness, and it's about finding special someone to always be there for you.
I really felt that. Howie, what did you think?
I thought that was absolutely beautiful and haunting. It just, it's like you're crying and you're singing, and it just was so deep.
And perfect pitch.
Yeah, and perfect pitch.
Thank you, Howard. Appreciate it.
Sophia?
That was like the most perfect audition I've seen this season. I think America's gonna go crazy with you.
Thank you, Sophia. Thank you.
Simon?
How come we haven't heard of you?
Yes.
I'm not sure, but you have now, so. We've been trying, for sure. No doubt.
Knocking on those doors and no one answers them, right?
Yes, sir.
I know. Your voice is sensational. And
Thank you
also,
so much.